Having a Quest 2 is very fragile, and taking care of it is of the utmost importance. However, this one thing can ruin your entire experience. Most people, when charging their phones, usually let it charge to 100%. Now what this does scientifically is degrade your battery faster over time. The rule of thumb is do not let your phone drop below 20% and do not charge it over 80%, as this can help keep your battery healthier for the long run. How does this contribute to ruining your VR experience, you may ask? The Oculus Quest 2 is more like a phone than you actually think, as it is a standalone headset with a battery, pretty much an Android strapped to your face. It has 3,640 milliamp hours to be exact, so slightly more than a phone, but we get it here. The same principles still apply. Do not let it drop below 20%, and if you're charging it, do not let it charge over 80% to keep the battery as healthy as possible in the long run. However, I noticed that most people charge it all the way up to 100% just because they can, and this can actually ruin your entire VR experience. How, you may ask? Well, it can turn your 2 to 3 hour playtime with your headset to just a mere hour or slightly above that. Now this can completely get rid of any sort of immersion you have by constantly getting your headset's about to die notifications, and this is just awful. So some people, what they do is just buy a battery pack, but do you really want to carry that extra weight around your head? I don't think so. So how should you avoid this? Well, first off, don't let your Quest drop below 20%. When you start charging your headset, keep an eye on it the entire time. Do not let it overcharge. Do not let it charge for more than an hour and a half, 2 hours, none of that. Usually I go above 85%, 80% slightly, but it's just up to you how far you want to take it. Just do not do 90 or above.